So go on and apply this treatment, just little of this on your feet to get rid of foot wrinkles, to get rid of dryness, to keep them looking very young and attractive. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, apply few drops on your feet to get rid of wrinkles, to get rid of dryness, to make them looking very soft and smooth naturally. So the ingredients are quite simple to get, found in the kitchen, very natural. So I made this for you. Yeah, two things that when you apply it, you will notice a lot of improvement on your feet. No matter how your feet is, even if it's so dry, even if it's so flaky, even if there are lots of wrinkles, with consistency, you will see a lot of improvements. So I'm going to start with this. What I added here is coffee. As you can see the color, you can see that there's coffee in it. So coffee contains powerful antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage that makes you develop wrinkles, that makes you age faster. So coffee will also help to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating that area will help to scrub out dead skin cells that makes you age faster. So you're just going to love coffee because it helps greatly. So the next ingredient you have to get is oat powder. So here is oat powder. You can see it. It's in a powdering form. I love it so well because this keeps the skin looking supple, looking so smooth, so soft. If you have a dry skin, it will benefit a lot from oat powder. Oats will also help to protect your skin from drying out. Yes, like I said, it helps to moisturize the skin for dryness and also exfoliating the skin to remove dead skin cells, just like the coffee ground. So adding it into this treatment will go a long way to protect your skin from drying out and also preventing your skin from developing wrinkles. So sugar is also another exfoliant, perfect for this treatment. So adding sugar will help to scrub out dead skin cells. It's going to make other two ingredients to work better. So exfoliating your skin will help to reveal a new skin that glows without any flaws. So go on and add sugar, and sugar will help to keep that area brighter in case you have a dull skin. So this is the measurements, okay? You have to add half tablespoon of oat powder in here. So the next one is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, just add 2 tablespoons of sugar into this treatment. Do not mind the look of this. It has been in the refrigerator for some time, for about 3 days now, and that is why it's like this. So whenever I want to apply it, I'm going to mix it thoroughly. So I added coffee, half tablespoon of coffee in here. So after adding these 3 ingredients, you have to mix together. Make sure you mix thoroughly. Just add water, just a little water to mix. Mix it together until it forms a thick paste. Do not let it to be watery, please. This is a scrub. Okay, after mixing it together, you just have to go on and apply it. But before then, I want to show you the next treatment. So here is the next treatment. Okay, this is for moisturizing. The other one is a scrub. You need these two because they are very, very important. So I'm going to show you the ingredients I use for this, for effective results. So I added glycerin. This is vegetable glycerin. It helps to plump the skin. It helps to keep the skin supple. It helps to smoothen the skin, moisturizing the skin, preventing your skin from drying out. So you have to make sure you have glycerin, okay, especially vegetable glycerin. It helps greatly. So you have to go on and add 1 tablespoon of it into the treatment, okay? Yes, 1 tablespoon will go a long way. So the next one is vitamin E capsule. In case you don't have vitamin E, you can make use of almond oil. So I added 3 capsules of vitamin E. Okay, in case you have it in bottle, all you have to do is to add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. If you do not have vitamin E, you can make use of almond oil. For almond oil, you can add half teaspoon of the oil into this treatment. I will not forget aloe vera because it helps greatly to protect the skin, get rid of irritation, dryness, It helps to moisturize the skin and prevent aging skin. So this is just so powerful for you, helping to keep your skin looking ever young. You have to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into the treatment. So when you are done, you have to mix everything together to form like this. So these are the 2 things to apply on your skin. Okay, 2 treatments that will help greatly to repair your skin, revive your skin, and keep them away from wrinkles. So the first thing you have to do is to make use of a scrub. Apply this scrub on a wet feet. Okay, just wet your feet, apply it all over your feet. Scrub it gently, make sure you scrub out all the dead skin cells, Then when you are done, scrub for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then you have to rinse it out. Then pat dry before applying this. Just a little of this cream goes a long way. So apply it on your feet. This is what you have to be applying on your feet morning and night. But this scrub should be once daily, only once daily, and this cream should be morning and night for best results. So go on and apply it on your feet to keep them looking like that of a baby, younger, smooth and soft. No more wrinkles, no more dryness. Keep them looking very attractive with just this treatment. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.